Are you looking for electric gates? Are you looking for a new electric gate for a brand new installation? Maybe you need an existing gate repaired or maintained, or maybe you've got existing manual gates that you want to automate. My name's Adrian McGivern from AutoGate, and we make, install and repair electric gate systems across Northern Ireland. My contact number is 07855 781 433. That's 07855 781 433. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you've hit on one of our websites and you're here to see what it's about. Well, if you're looking for electric gates, you're looking for electric gate repairs, if you want automated barriers for a car park, if you want automated rising bollards or rising curbs for higher security installations, that's what we do, and that's what we can help you with. It doesn't matter if you have an existing gate that's in need of maintenance or repairs, regardless of the make or model, regardless of who installed it, we can help you with it. There's not too many systems and types of installations that we haven't come across. We've been making, installing and repairing electric gates for over 20 years, so there's not a lot we haven't seen. And not saying that to brag, just to give you a little bit of reassurance that you're in good hands when you're dealing with us. So if you need any help, advice, little bit of if you need talk through how to manually open a gate if you're stuck, give us a call. Happy to help you. My number, one more time, my name's Adrian McGivern from AutoGate, and the number is 07855 781 433. That's 07855 781 433. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.